Hello guys, welcome back to our new fresh video. Right? In previous lecture we already started dictionary, right? I hope you watched that video. Then and then only you can come here and watch this video. So till now we covered almost Python. Most of the type like we can say all the data structure that is list, tuple, set and dictionary. The remaining part we will cover in this lecture today only. So your four data structure will be completed. So I'm just telling what means what we accept other than this data structure, right? So basically, after the completion of data structure, I will going again once again with list, tuple, set, and dictionary, and this is the very important part of your data structure that is called as indexing and slicing. Okay, so what is exactly indexing? What is the slicing? Why we use the indexing and slicing? We will see that, but after the completion of the dictionary. So stay tuned. And other than this, we also see the if else, while loop, for loop, exception handling, file handling, numpy, panda. There are lots of right. So stay tuned. As I said, keep watching my video. Don't worry if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to me. You can directly comment it down, and definitely I am already shared the LinkedIn profile also. You can connect me to LinkedIn also. Okay, so without wasting time, we will moving forward with our next dictionary methods. Okay, so basically till now we cover the most of the methods, right? Wait, I just need to run the first dictionary that we already declared, and then only it will be running. Okay, you also remember that. So whenever your session will be closed, you need to run again, then and then only it will be considered that only. So yes, till now we will covered most of the methods, right? The first method is called as keys, values, and items. Try to remember that method in simple way. The name itself suggests that whenever you want to print all the keys in a dictionary, you can directly use the keys method. Whenever you want to print only the values, then you can directly use the values method. And whenever you want to print the keys and values both at the same time, then definitely you can use the items method. Other than this, we already learned the get and update method. These two methods are very important. So get method is simple. You can remember that whenever you want to print a particular value, then you can use the get method. Okay, and get method have the two parameters. Try to remember that. You can mention the second as a message, anything you can mention, but try to remember simple thing. Whenever you are mentioning d dot get, and inside that you are mentioning the keys, if that key is present, then and then only it will be printing the value that is present in a dictionary. If not, then it will be giving you the empty output. But we don't want empty, because how you can understand, right? So we want to give the message. So try to remember in get method, if you are seeing in screen my also. So in get method, first we need to passing the key, then we need to pass any message that you want. It will be integer, float, boolean, anything. So try to make the messages, we can say, like visible to others also. So whenever everyone can see that, yeah, there this message is totally relatable to that only. Okay. Yes, and the second method is called as update. So this method is very tricky, not tricky, but try to remember simple way. Whenever you want to add a new key value pair in dictionary, whenever you want to replace value in a dictionary, think again, replace value. I'm not taking about replace a key. Why? Because in first lecture of dictionary we already learned, in dictionary keys are immutable, so you can't modify the keys. Once it is declared, it will be final. If you want to delete, definitely you can delete, but you can't modify that key. Okay, so that's why I'm using the word values. So whenever you want to add or replace values in a dictionary, then we can use the update method. If you don't know, then please watch the previous video, then come in that video, because in this video there are lots of method, nothing like that. Okay, only we will learn the 3 to 4 method, and that is the sufficient. That is the end of your dictionary data structure. The most important dictionary methods are keys, values, items, get, and update. Okay, but not like that ki the other remaining method is not useful. Definitely useful, because if you're noticing, we till now we are printing the key values, we are modifying the key value, but how you can delete, right? So that's why the deleting method is also required. Similar way in dictionary also we have the method called as a pop. If you are watching the video from the first data structure, then definitely you can remember the use of the pop, because pop method we already used in a list and the set, and in dictionary also similar way. So whenever you want to use pop and inside that you are mentioning the key, then it will be deleting that key value pair. Okay, so I'm mentioning the name. So this is my dictionary, what are the values of 1 2 3 4. So I am directly mentioning d dot pop name, it will be deleting entire key value, right? So see, so it will be deleting, as simple as that. Try to remember, in pop you need to mention the key. Always remember, in dictionary, anything always related to keys only. Okay, this is the simple method pop. Now our most important method, whenever you want to delete last key value pair, then you can directly use the pop item. So in our dictionary we have the last key value pair as a true false. So whenever you run d dot pop item, it will be deleting the last key value pair. If you're printing that dictionary, then you can notice that the last key value pair is deleted. Got it? As simple as that. Whenever you want to delete a particular key value pair, then you can directly use the pop method. Whenever you want to delete the last key value pair, definitely you can go to the pop item. Now again the same method. Whenever you want to delete all the key value pair, then you can directly use the clear method. And if you are running that D, it will be now your empty dictionary. If you are printing the dictionary, yes, that's it. So this is all about dictionary. We have the methods called as a set, default, from keys, but it's not much important. Okay, you can try to read this method on W3 School and other any site. Okay, don't worry about all that. And if you're not understanding, then definitely you can write in comment, sir, I'm not understanding this method, can you repeat? Then definitely in next video I will try to cover that method. Okay, now till now we learn the list, tuple, set, dictionary. I'm giving you a bonus tip. Okay, this is most important interview question related to your dictionary or related to any data structure. The first question will be, declare tuple with single element. Always remember, whenever you are declaring tuple, you need to go the round bracket and you are mentioning this, and then you are mentioning the type of. Yes, it will not tuple. Try to remember why, because in tuple we already learned every element separated by comma. So whenever you want to declare a tuple with a single element also, you need to give the comma. Then and then only it will become a tuple. Now, for example, I want to declare an empty tuple. As simple as that. Here you don't need to mention the comma, na? Because we know tuple have in a basically round bracket. So it will be tuple definitely. No doubt about that. Right? Now second question is, declare empty set. Okay. Now everyone knows set declared in a curly braces. So directly we can using the yes type of D and it will be become our set. But shock, it will be not a set. It will be dictionary. Why? Because dictionary is higher precision than your tuple. Sorry, set. So how you can declare the empty set then? You need to use the set as a constructor. Then and then only we can say this is called as a set. Okay. This is very important and tricky question related to your set. Okay, and now they are asking, like for example, I have a dictionary and in dictionary I have the duplicate keys, then how? So as I already told, key duplicates are not allowed, but for example at the time of creation only, for example I'm giving colon 1 comma 1 and I'm giving colon 1 comma 3. So for example, if you are printing this, I hope you know this is the dictionary only, right? Yeah, see, understand? Because whenever declaring your dictionary, you directly mentioning the key duplicate, that's not an issue, but it will be considered only the latest. Older one was automatically removed. That's why we are saying key is not allowed duplicate in a dictionary. But what about value? Definitely you can use the value as a duplicate. That's not worry about that. Okay, because values are immutable. So values are duplicate, definitely acceptable, but keys are duplicate, not acceptable. It's not like it will be giving the error. No, at the time of creating, you are mentioning that proper way, then it will be considered only the latest one. Old one is automatically erased. So this is related to your all the data structure. And in next lecture, we will try to cover the indexing and slicing in very easy way. Because if I am telling the indexing and slicing, this is most important, because this will be covering NumPy pandas also. So definitely I am saying only one night. Keep practicing. Stay connected with me. If you have any doubt related to any topic in Python, definitely you can reach out to me. I'm ready to help you. Okay. Till then, yes, definitely practice makes man perfect. So do these things. Till then, bye bye. See you in next lecture. Bye.